See, I can hear. 这个 panel 有点杂音啊。So there is a noise. There is a noise. We should have it fixed. Okay. There is a noise on 这个底盘呢有一种杂音啊。我们今天把这个车要拿去修一下。My wife, there's had noise on this panel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like a.
So
What's like, right?
yeah, it's like on front there is a when it's cold.
Oh, the Kia, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
Kia.
Okay.
So the front.
Now check it out, okay?
Yeah, okay, good. Okay. When it's cold, especially.
Key for me?
Yeah. 今天要跟你讲一句新年好啊！
嘿，新年好。
新年的过年都不休息，你们真的了不起啊！
我们这边基本上因为中国节也没过，美国节也没过，这个国际人士。我在美国31年，基本上都
没过过节，31年。OK。它的声音是从前面，
在你后面漏油啊！
哦，后面漏油啊，
对啊，味道很大的汽油味。
漏汽油啊！
对啊，你看这里。
哦，这很胖。Oh my God！
我刚刚蹲进来的时候，味道好大的。
哦，That's why. Okay. Oil gasoline leak.
Are you serious?
Yes. That's why I smell so bad.
得这个油箱漏油啊。
哦。
前面两个帽子还好，前后还好，就上面那个。
就是那个边上那个。下面有没有东西碰到啊？什么东西啊？
这一个调整轴不好。他们哪的？这儿。
哦，这个一点点没事，
这个和这个都是没什么问题。
东西它就震动。
那要换吗？
那一定要换。
哦。
再一个就是
这个油，对。
漏汽油这个很危险。
对，那个赶快修理。
它就是那个油泵漏油。
哦。那能修吗？
当然不能修，只能换。
换。
对，换一个。我不知道多少钱，等我一下，我问好价钱。这是哪一年的车子
？2012年。
12年的
Kia Forte。Forte Kia Forte。今天发现就是这两个东西要换，但是最主要是发现这个车有点漏汽油，这个很危险，所以我们不能开，只能把车留在这里。OK， 早上好，车修好没有？修好了。 卡哇伊，卡哇伊，好可爱。
这个油啊，
哦
就是从这个地方漏出来的。
哦，
对，我们试了一下，就是从这个地方你一发动，然后就那个油就飙，
太危险，太危险了。
对啊，你这个很危
啊，
险的。
太危险了。这个the leak is from here. So gas is come out, so it was very dangerous. So it's so good that we came in time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so good we came before the summer.
Yes, yes. Okay, where's the car?
Where's the car?
你的拜。
In the back.
Back. Okay, I pay you. I pay you. Okay. So I think it's okay now. You can drive. They still have sound.
That's different. That's from a different spot.
That's
This is all gone. Come in.
okay. So this is like something from the top, from the.
No, you sit in it. That rattling at the top is gone.
Okay.
That is probably the shocks.
Oh, okay. Okay.
This one is gone. And then I don't smell anything.
No, it's fine now. Okay.
Oh my God.
This is the first time we try to do it ourselves because our car has kind of shaking when it's cold. This is very easy, and we will show you how to put it back. Okay, so please take it off. This is air filter, and look very clean, and not so bad. So, but we have to compare with the new one we bought. Okay. Yes. Dan what I do? Oh,
Flip it.
oh, this is bad. Okay, I thought we could put in the wash machine, just to wash it twice. The expert says no, it's not a good idea.
They said no.
How much cost this thing?
That was $15.99.
Okay, $15.99. Okay, you can do yourself. Now I'll ask my lady to put it back. Yeah, this is the way.
You can tell because of the dirt stain
Yeah.
that it had. No, it's like this. These go.
Yeah. Okay, that's it.
Woohoo! Easy.
Then we clean up this place, then we'll put everything back. So before we do this, you should put a cross under.
They're saying under here so that it doesn't drip. Okay, so any excess that drips, it catches.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, what?
And
Spray.
yeah, that's what I'm looking for. It doesn't say to shake it.
You just shake it a couple of times. It's okay. Yeah.
It doesn't have anything in it.
You
Okay.
shoot all the place first. You
Where?
shoot here. Okay, now you know how
Okay.
it works. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oof, look at that dirt. Wow, so dirty.
Oh, we need to do the more.
Okay.
Moment.
We'll get, yeah, I'll get. Hold my hand.
Yeah. Because I don't want the paper to get in.
Yeah, yeah.
I can't use my finger to open it. It's okay. You don't. I can use my finger to open it.
Okay.
See?
Okay, but I don't
So-
want your finger getting caught.
I know. But the thing is that if you spray more, I will be able to open and clean it up.
Okay. So, why don't you spray it again?
Okay. I have to test.
It already did.
No, I test.
Oh, you want to play?
Okay, no.
He just wants to play. Get it in the top too. Yeah. Good.
Okay.
Just put it aside. Look at this mechanic. Oof, so dirty. Show us. Oh, wow. Oh, so filthy. Don't get it stuck.
No, it will not.
Oh, wow. Eek. Ooh. Gross. That's because the filter was so dirty too.
I don't want to use a paper because just in case it will.
I have another of those pink towels
yes,
right on the
please.
table, dear.
Okay.
Close it, and it's right there. You see it?
Yeah.
Right there. Go get it.
Yeah. Some people say they use a paper towel, but I think it's not a good idea because paper towel can just a little bit drop.
Yeah.
Then it will cost. So I prefer just spend a little money buy this. Okay. I know
Some microfiber.
I think it's I know it's expensive. Maybe $100 for this, but it's worth it.
I got it for $1 from Family Dollar. 2 for $1, sorry.
Okay.
Okay, be careful. Okay. Still could use a little bit. Still so much dirt coming off. Don't break the spring, please.
No, they will not.
Wow.
Think that's it?
Okay,
Yes.
Mr. Mechanic. Woohoo.
Okay.
And I'll
Ready 40?
Yep, just some WD-40. Make sure you have the
Yeah.
nozzle still.
And only to this place
Yes, just the edge.
and this place, just a little of each,
Yes.
because it's going to free all the time, and not much. Okay, do it.
I'm just gonna get it right in there.
Yeah. One shoot. Okay, on the side, one shoot, and wipe it. And I use paper, will absorb the liquid.
This does too.
Okay. That will do. Finish.
Now we let it dry for 5 minutes.
Yeah, we'll let it dry for 5 minutes. Then we'll pour this back.
Yes.
Lady, you can have all this. It's all from your car, so it's all your property.
I have to
I
go
just
clean that
give
too.
it to you. Thank you. Okay, we'll do that later.
Yeah.
Now we try to bring this back. So,
Okay.
can you help?
Yes. Gonna help because we still have things attached. So we don't want to mess those up.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just get this in position down here. It's not time yet though. It hasn't been 5 minutes.
No, it's okay. It will dry.
There we go.
Okay, here we
Get
go.
the
We
screwdriver?
already put it in the position, and the lady will tie up this screw.
Where'd you put the screwdriver? Okay. Just gonna kind of get it in a way that we can access it. Okay.
Just tighten it.
Eh.
Tighten it as like a Tom Sawyer. Okay, I think that's it. Don't need to be that tight. I think as far as no need to too tight. That's okay.
No, but here.
Now the air is just put back.
You opened this, so I don't know
Yeah,
what you did.
Just do that.
No, but it's like sticking up there, and that one's not. So what's the difference? Just wait. You're doing it with one hand, just pushing. Stop.
Oh,
Hit my finger against
yeah,
that.
yeah. Be careful. And the master one on this side. Okay, that's it. That's how you fix the air
Don't lean on
filter.
things.
Okay. I think that's it.
Okay.
Okay, wait for a while. We'll have the engine start.
Yep.
To see how it works. Okay. Now my lady is in the car, and please start engine to see. How is it?
At first it was like what? And now it sounds better.
Sounds better.
But at first it was like what?
What? Yeah. Okay.
Hear it?
They didn't understand why it's different.
Like a
Yeah. Sounds better, huh?
Quieter.
It's absolutely better.
It is. It is. Seriously, I'm not kidding. It's better. Hold on. Let's put the gas on and see.
Yeah. 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 We did it.
Windshield wipers now.
Yeah.